Hi, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make very easy and delicious Snickerdoodle cookie, which is one of my favorite holiday cookie to bake. This recipe does not require any kind of mixer or special tool, and let me show you how that is done. First, we're going to prepare dry ingredient. In a bowl, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, and then here is mix of baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and cream of tartar, and some salt. For the exact measurement, please check the description box below, and then I will put all the information in there. So dump it here. Mix it very well. This is half cup of butter, melted, cool completely. In here, I'm gonna put half cup of sugar, white sugar. Quarter cup of light brown sugar. Mix it very well until that is well cooperated. Next, 1 egg. Mix it well until it's well combined. Tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna eyeball it. So our wet ingredient is ready. It's well combined. The next step is pour the dry ingredient into the wet ingredient, well cooperated. Mix it well until it's well mixed, but do not over mix it. Okay, it's well mixed. I'm gonna cover it with a lid and then keep it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes so the dough can actually stiffen up a little bit, so when I'm actually baking the cookie, it's not gonna just go flat. You can bake it without chilling, but your cookie is gonna be a little bit flatter than what that is desired. So I will see you in 30 minutes. So cookie dough has been chilled in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and then I have 1/3 cup of white sugar and the 1.5 teaspoon of the cinnamon. Mix it up. It's gonna be outer cinnamon sugar we're gonna coat our cookie with. I also prepared the baking sheet with the baking mat. I prepared 2. When you put the dough in a baking sheet, we're gonna space out very generously. So I am using 2 tablespoons ice cream scoop. It's gonna make a pretty big cookie size, but if you wanna have a small one, you can use a smaller ice cream scoop. You roll it round and then just mold it with the sugar. That's all you need to do. Doesn't need to be perfect because it's gonna actually like flat out, roll out, even out when it is baking. And you repeat the process until you're done with dough. Make sure, keeping enough spacing, because otherwise it's gonna stick together. You wanna make sure that it has even enough spacing between the dough. I'm gonna put only 5 of them. So my oven has been preheated for 350 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna put it into the oven and then check it on the 10-minute mark, making sure that cookies baked but not over baked. So what I'm looking for is it's gonna be get flat, but outside is kind of set. The center should be a little bit soft looking and bumped up. And that's the time I'm gonna pull it out. Because the cookie is pretty big, it can take a little longer than 10 minutes, but I will tell you how long I spent baking this cookie. All of my cookies baked really well. How it smells amazing. And I got 10 cookie. I baked for 11 minutes, and half of the cookie I put the extra cinnamon and sugar, and half I just roll it in the cinnamon sugar. I'm gonna go for extra cinnamon sugar one. So as you can see, it's pretty thick, just set in the edge, but it's really soft in the center. So that's what I'm looking for. I like to have soft and chewy cookie. So let me taste it. Oh yeah, it's really nice, soft, chewy, buttery. I can taste cinnamon. Of course, it's very sweet, but I can actually taste the nuttiness of the brown sugar. And then just like overall, it's very pleasant cookie to eat. So I hope you enjoy my video. And then when you try my recipe, please let me know how yours turn out. And until next time, happy cooking and baking. Bye.